And still they have back to Cordero. Back-to-back basket from jersey number 29. 1 and 50 seconds time remaining. And number 16, leads the pass, 35, 8-point lead. JLM. Cordero setting the play. Pass to De Castro. De Castro, fine 2-1. Good look for 3. Fire. Off the mark. And Sanchez gets the rebound. Quattro Kings attacks the defense. Sanchez drive. Lays up. No good. And back for a putback. Rejected by Chanes.
Violation.
And back up fire. 1 and 5 seconds time remaining. Number 29, Cordero. Drive. No good. And a back gets the rebound pass to Tianes. Attacks. Stays up. No good. Deep ball pass to number Villen. To number Musa Kudra. No good.
May
Number 31, 2 points.
illegal touch yung pinakamalapit. Tapos violation.
85 seconds. Backcourt violation. 20 seconds.
Iniipit yung both feet.
15 seconds to play. 10 seconds sa Baha. Dua, long range, no good. And Baha for a put back. 35, 10-point lead, JLM. End of the third period, 45. Bagain. 10 seconds to shoot. Dua to Manalo. Manalo to Di Mayuga. Long range, connects. And number 16, back to number 16, 8 to shoot. Fire, connects. 16, Di Mayuga, 12 to shoot. Di Mayuga to De Castro. Rejected. 5 to shoot. Reverse by Manalo. Beautiful finish. By the second play, Velasquez drive. Good drop. No good. Remaining time. And number 1, Dua, setting a play to Di Mayuga. Fine Bagain, long range, no good. And baseball pass number 26, Sanchez, stays up, no good. And Bagain, baseball pass to Di Mayuga, and it's calling by. Goes number 26, Sanchez. And Quattro Kings attacks the defense. Sanchez zigzagging, links up, no good. And De Castro, big rebound by De Castro, bounce pass to the guy. The guy into the pocket. SC.
Barik na.
Di Mayuga, drive. Di Mayuga, 2 points. And number 26, Sanchez for 3. Off the mark. And DLM on the line, there's number Di Mayuga, setting the play to Dua. 12 to shoot, Dua. Drive, fire, no good. Offensive rebound Manalo. And starting by jersey number Velasquez. Number 10, Velasquez all the way, good drop, no good. Quattro Kings basketball. 1 and 40 seconds ahead. One and 25 seconds. Final 1 and 20 seconds. Bagain. No good. Bayaba. Okay, congratulations, JLM. Best player of the ball game, number 10, Bagain.